first debutant, Yigi, pagumangkon nga mura, igsuon na nako, and my best friend. I still remember as nung magdula sa una, bisan ka sa bantang mamang ka mag-away, maghilakanay, pero maukir po ka imo akong isugilot. Dili na ko manintang kung una nag-visit me sa Cervantes na balay sa una itong wala pa'y bagyo. Fiesta ata to. Makahilang ko, kay dili ko ganahan mo uli ato nga time. Kay ganahan ko nga dili ta magbulag duha sa una. Sa una, every time mo ato kag dumagete, di ko ganahan kay wala ko'y kadula, wala ko'y kaaway diri sa balay. Since then, nag-uban tagdako, na-witness naton duha atong mga kasakit o kalipay, and thankful kayo kung nga naatan duha para sa isang isa. Lahi-lahi man tagbatasan, pero mas gibili naton duha ang magkasinagtanan. And now, look at you, all grown up and shining so bright today. May this 18th year bring you the gift of knowing your own worth, so you never settle for less than you deserve. May you grow into the kind, strong woman we always dreamed you'd be, and now I'll still be right here. Just like we promised back then, you're not just celebrating 18 years today, you're celebrating the amazing person you've been since the very start. I love you always, my Yigi. Welcome to adulthood.
Is filled with genuine laughter, love, and memories you'll always look back on with a smile. Stay true to who you are, keep chasing your dreams, and know that I'm always here for you. Cheers to 18 and everything amazing that's coming to your way. Happy birthday.
Proceed to our third candle, which is Jane Angela Binagay.
Happy birthday, Ate Gian. Stay pretty, stay healthy. I pray na ma-achieve ni mo tanan ni mong dreams sa imong kinabuhi o makuha ni mo tanan ni mong gusto. Naaramin ni mo. Ito, og daghang salamat.
Lisa Binundo.
Hi! Happy birthday, G! Thank you for being there through my ups and downs, being my partner in crime, my ultimate elementary bestie. I wish you to have a good health and to succeed in life because I know you have a lot of goals to achieve. May your journey to adulthood be full of excitement and good memories. I love you, God bless you, and once again, happy birthday.
Ah, that's so cute. Label Talia.
Hi! Happy birthday, Riay! Impromptu rin yung speech. I wish you good health and more blessings, more birthdays to come. Thank you for being there kung mag-break ka, mag-corby sa Monsal, ready ka mamina. Thank you so much for being my friend all through the years and once again, happy birthday.
Wow, that was very heartwarming. Up next is Johanna Carla Rimoto.
Hi ma, happy birthday. I'm truly thankful nga naabot ka sa ako kinabuhi. You are my comforter, my support, and my safe place. Nga, whenever I feel tired,
overwhelmed or lost, always sa ako ang side mo listen ug mo understand nako. So because of that, my life feel lighter and my heart feel at peace. Sa murag sa tanang problema nga naa ka, masayon na siya nako ato bangon. Thank you for your kindness and your patience and for your genuine heart. Nga sa tanang tao sa nagpalibot nimo imong i-value ug imong gilove. Walang swerte kay ko nga naka best friend like you. I am so proud of the strong, beautiful person you are becoming. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you so much.
Alright, that was very, very heartwarming. Up for Pia Perez.
Oh my God, dami na lang mga kuwanda.
Hi, ma'am. Parehas sa isang tinihan na thankful kay kung abot ka sa akin mag-uwi. So, kaya elementary, saan siya ka-permit sa ako. Magtapik ka o problema. Kaling balay ninyo may saksi na lang sa pagkabuas. Himanganay, katawanay. Kaling yung balay ninyo, kanyang gitindlugan ka. Ay, nungtog mo ka. Anas Jesus gabi, no? Anas Jesus gabi na dito ko naka sa magalingon na nakapasuday ko yung barkada nga tinuod. Maduulan, kung na ako'y problema, kung na ako'y isulti nga, hindi na ako masulti sa uban. So, tanang barkada na ako, lahi na sa kabila. Like, nadyo something sa ako ang kinabuhi. Like, dili ko mabuhi o wala ka. Like, na lang murag. Sumunod lang, thank you kayo sa tanan nga imong hinahatag sa ako sa imong pagpamilya sa mga problema. Pagkamay na ako. Happy birthday. 18 na ka. I love you, Dad.
That was very cutesy. Up next is Francine May Rodavitas.
Hi, Wobby. Happy birthday. Welcome to adulthood. Padayon sa imong mga kuan ka ng mga indang goals. Stay kind and always believe in yourself. Wishing you happiness and bright future.
Compuesto.
Hi, Mami. Happy 18th birthday, Mami Gian. Thank you sa tanang support nimo para nako sa kabuang man or sa kaayuhan. I just want to wish you a future full of happiness, growth, and endless opportunities. I hope you always find the courage to go after what you truly want and the strength to get through every challenge. Stay kind, stay true to yourself, and never forget how strong you are. I'm always rooting for you, and I can't wait to see everything you'll become. Thank you, and I love you.